Hi everybody, so today we're going to be making this week's crafts. So there's actually two crafts in here, so one's a boat and one's an eye patch. So I'll show you how to make the boat first. I just had a little extra in my craft bag because I'd already made the boat once. So you're going to have a straw, you're going to have a sail, you're going to have this rectangle and then this kind of weird shape and stuff to decorate it. And then you'll have the eye patch stuff too, but I'll show you that in a little bit. You're also going to need glue. Can be any kind of glue. I just had my blue glue from the rest of it. So the first thing you're going to do is I actually took the boat and I kind of folded it just because it made it a lot easier eventually, but I kind of just folded it down like the two sides. You don't have to do that though. It just made it easier for me because I have trouble gluing things. And then so you're going to fold the two. Here, I moved the camera so you can see. You're gonna fold the two corners together so that they kind of stick together like that. So you're gonna match up all of the three corners. So you're gonna put a lot of glue on these little triangle shapes that stick off the end. And as you can see, like I put a lot of glue there. And then you're just gonna line up the corners so that they all kind of line up. It doesn't need to be perfect. Mine wasn't perfect. And then you're going to press it really hard to make sure it sticks. And then, yeah. And then the next thing is you're going to clean the glue off the table. You're going to take the little rectangle and you're going to put glue on like either end of one end of it. And then you're just going to stick it right in the middle. Once again, doesn't have to be perfect. It's not necessarily going to be perfect. Mine was not perfect. It's fine. And you're going to press it really hard. And I realized after doing this that folding it worked better because and I had to put more glue on because I didn't put enough glue the first time. It's really just, you mess up. It happens. But I discovered that folding it actually made it easier, so I folded it. And then, yeah. And then I had to stick the other side back down because I pulled it off. And then I did the exact same thing on the other side. Put glue on it, lined up the two corners. And then I kind of just pinched it together. And I had to put more glue everywhere. Literally everywhere. But then I kind of just pinched it together on either end just to kind of, you'll see in a sec once I start adding more glue. Just to make it stick a little better, and then I end up with that thing. And then I took this straw that was cut, and I put the sail right in it, and then I stuck it into the hole in the middle of the rectangle piece. And actually, I discovered that I had to just take it right off and put it back on again, just because my hands were too shaky to get it through there. And then, yeah, got a cute little boat to go sailing in. And now I'm going to show you how to make the eye patch. So you're also going to need glue, and you're going to want some scissors, and probably somebody else to help you eventually. And so I just took some of the things that I got to decorate it, and just glued them down to the eye patch. I just took these little flowers. Kind of reminded me of SpongeBob. Don't know why, but put those down so it looked kind of cute. And then I took the string, and I tied a knot. I put it through the hole that was punched through. Mine was a little bit more difficult. And then I just tied a knot. Now you have more like plasticky string. This was just the string I had. And I ended up pushing it through with my scissors because my hole was not very big. And then, yeah, I just tied a knot so it kind of just stuck right through there. And then I trimmed it. And then I took it and I put it on my head to see what size I needed it. And then I cut it to there. And then I put it through again. And I tied the knot on the other side. Exactly the same way as I did. Made sure it was a really super tight knot. And then I just cut off the excess. And there you go. I have a little eye patch now. So I can be a pirate. And then you got a little boat and a little eye patch. And thanks for watching. Bye.